In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Elementor Pro, and we're going to make the process as simple and straightforward as possible. Elementor Pro is an excellent choice for anyone interested in enhancing their WordPress site with powerful design capabilities. If you're ready to get started, let's dive right in. First, we're going to head over to the official Elementor website. You'll find it at elementor.com, a secure and user-friendly platform where you can explore all the features Elementor has to offer. Once you're there, look at the top menu bar and click on the pricing option. This is where you'll see all the different plans that Elementor Pro offers. Now, it's time to choose the plan that best suits your needs. Elementor Pro has several pricing tiers. If you're just starting out or only need Elementor for a single site, the Essentials plan might be perfect for you, as it covers one website. If you're planning to build or manage multiple sites, you can opt for the Advanced plan, which covers up to 3 websites, or the Expert plan if you anticipate needing it for up to 25 sites. And for those of you who are managing sites on a much larger scale, the Agency plan will allow you to use Elementor Pro on a whopping 1,000 websites. Take a moment to consider how many websites you'll be working on, and choose the plan that aligns with your goals. Once you've figured out which plan is right for you, go ahead and click the Buy Now button under the plan you have selected. This will take you to the account setup or sign-in page. If you are new to Elementor, you'll need to create an account by entering your email and choosing a password. If you're already a member, just log in with your existing account details. Next up is the payment process. Elementor makes it easy by offering flexibility in payment options. You can choose to pay via credit or debit card, or if you prefer, you can use PayPal. Go ahead and enter your payment information carefully, taking care to double-check your details to avoid any issues. After you've entered your payment information, it's time to complete your purchase. Once the transaction is successful, you'll be redirected to your Elementor dashboard. This is your new control center, where you can access all the fantastic features that Elementor Pro has to offer. And there you have it. You've successfully purchased Elementor Pro. Now, you're all set to design stunning, professional-looking websites with ease. Thank you for following along, and I hope you enjoy creating with Elementor Pro.